Today we're going to show you how to run a credit card sale with 360 payments in the Remedly software. So from the drop-down on the left-hand side, you want to go into Invoices. Choose the invoice you'd like to charge, and with the drop-down, click Record Payment. Then choose the payment method, and then go down to Start Terminal. And if there's more than one terminal, choose which one you'd like to use. This will then light up the credit card terminal with the amount for the customer to charge. Customer will enter their credit card, and then once that's approved, be prompted for a signature. Then that information will go back into Remedly. And then you can choose the Payments and Refunds tab and go in and click on the little page on that line item and see the actual invoice, which will show the credit card information used for the payment, and then also have the digital signature at the bottom. Thanks for watching.